What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KJ. Welcome back to the channel. I got another banger for y'all. I got a surprise for you, dude. Y'all know I'm always reacting to cars and shit. But today we touching cars and shit. You feel me? We got a hot ass. I don't even know how to explain it. You just gonna have to look at. You just gonna have to trust me on this one. This bitch is fire. You feel me? Make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel because it helps the channel. And we're going to get right to it. I hope y'all ready because we 3, 2, 1. Bam. Look at that motherfucker. Right there.
Sensational.
Right there. What about that, y'all? Huh? What y'all know about that? What y'all know about them Corvettes, them C8s? Put the motor in the back. Supercar. America's supercar. Oh, yeah. I mean, rapid blue at that. Now, I see a lot of red. I see a lot of blacks. But I've never seen this rapid blue in person. And you know what that badge right there means? That's Stingray, right? Look at the flakes in the paint. Look at the flakes in the black now. We got flakes in the black. This ain't just regular black. You see them flakes? Ooh. Okay. Oh, yeah. 70th anniversary right there. Real live on them. Camera. There's cameras everywhere on this joke. You got them on the mirrors. You got more flakes in the paint on the mirrors. You got 19s on the front. You got the whole dub in the back. I heard she'll get down too, yeah. I ain't been in a guy, but I heard she'll get down. And look at the flakes cutting up in it. Right here you got these vents that let that air come through, cool down your brake system in the back. So you know she's running. Got cameras everywhere. So she let herself up and down depending on the bumps on the road. Then we got the canards on the front. And you see those radiators behind us, so we gotta have plenty of air to cool them off. Man, this bitch so nasty. Ooh. Oh man, look at the body lines. All right, y'all see where them vents come through at the back. Lights. We got the quad exhaust, duals on both sides. We got the mesh grill right there. Quad on that side. We got the gloss black up under the rapid blue. She nasty, folks. And right in here where all the work take place. That's that engine bay. The motor in the back. So you know that's a supercar, folks. She's nasty, man. Let me get off from her a little bit. Guys, check this out. Oh, that thing look like a transformer. She look like a transformer. Oh, disappear, roof, disappear. Y'all hear that? That thing breathing, cause she ain't playing around. She ain't playing around. By the way, this Smurfette. This is Smurfette. She got another name, but I ain't gonna give her that name out. I'm gonna let y'all hear how Smurfette right now. Oh, yeah. Oh. She's gargling. So the exhaust side, different pack. Oh, yeah. Okay, y'all see what we got on the door. We got the leather, right? We got the Bose sound system. You got carbon fiber on the door, matched with the gray leather. You feel me? The doors is just art by itself, man. There you go. Look at that. Look at that base plate. Oh, we got the seats, right? Perforated leather, so we got heat and cool seats. Got the carbon fiber. Oh man, carbon fiber plates in the seats. Speaker with the 70th anniversary right there. Look at that carbon fiber, cuz. Look at that. All your controls. Man, your screen turned right at you. I'm finna sit in this thing. I gotta sit in here. Oh man. Guys, I'm 6 feet. This joke got all the room in the world. Man. CJ 32 wasn't lying about this, cuz. This joker feels so nice. Him and Rail too real. Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. God. Look at those speakers on the dash, guys. Oh yeah, carbon fiber all right here. Carbon fiber all around the cluster. The screen is pointing right at you. We got carbon fiber right here. Oh yeah, man. Park, reverse, drive. Man. Cup holder right here. That's nasty, dog. Look at that. Carbon fiber on the door. And like I said, we got the Bose. Man. Got your own start and everything up top, mirror. This hoe so nasty, bro. Okay, we got the paddle shifters right here on the side. I don't know, dog. I can fall in love with this. Got another set of speakers right here. That dude got speakers everywhere, man. Look at that grill, boy. Shit. Dang, cuz. That's all I can say. This hoe so nasty. Look at that shot from the back. This is a hell of a way to pull up on somebody, cuz. This is a hell of a way to pull up. I'm talking about presidential. Let's see what the room feel like on the passenger side. We're gonna do the passenger side too. We're gonna do it all since we out here. You might think because the C8, it ain't got a lot of room, but I'll be damn, this joint got so much room. I can't believe it, dog. I'm in a C8. This mug has so much room. Man, I'm talking about just comfortable. I'm 6 feet. I've got plenty of room, cuz. And I think it's more behind me. Like I said, you got the speakers. Nah, I'm looking at stuff. Speakers. You got carbon fibers on the seat. All this nice, bright leather, man, rolling around in this juke joint. I mean, this is so comfortable, cuz. I love it. I love it. I didn't even know how to get out. This little electronic button opens the door for you. So that's something. I done had all kind of whips. Ain't none of them ever did that. That's futuristic for me. For real, for real. Guys, I'm gonna do one more walkthrough before I end this video. I don't want to hold y'all too long, but this thing is so nice. I can't stop filming. I'm telling you now. Real talk. I'm just amazed that I'm this close to one. That is so nasty.